Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So in this video you're gonna hear a lot of thundering voices, and I'm really sorry that I can't do anything about this, and I can't even wait until this finishes because this is happening from so long and I waited like already enough, so can't wait more. So today was the day 36 to the 100 days challenge of building yourself as a brand, and I will say that today was not that of a great day, like it was not one of the productive day I wanted it to be, but it did not happen. So why it did not happen, there is a particular reason for it, but this reason I made it into an excuse which I should have not, but it just happened. So what happened, as yesterday I told you, was my brother's birthday, and he had been out with his friends. We were going to celebrate it in the night, but he went out with his friends. So he told that will be like back at 10 o'clock, like that. We will be like, okay, we'll be waiting for you, and then we'll come and celebrate. So I waited till I think 9:30, and then I started to feel sleepy because of course I'll be waking up at 4 o'clock, so I started to feel sleepy. Then I told my mom that once he arrives, just to wake me so that we can get into the celebrations. And the deal was done. I went to sleep, and then I like woke up in the middle of the night, then thinking that why still nobody has woke me. Then I saw at my side and my brother was sleeping, and I realized that okay, maybe he came late, that's why the celebrations got postponed. And so of course I slept late, that's why I could not wake up at 4 o'clock. Then I could not wake up, so it got late. I woke up at 7 o'clock finally. Then today was actually elections of a state, so we were getting ready for that as well. So after waking up, I went and drank 2 glasses of warm water, and I had told you that our water tank was not working, right? So my dad repaired it and now it's working, so we are having drinking water. So after that I went, and then for workout it was too late to go on the terrace and all because it was kind of sunny. So I decided that I'll dance instead of a workout. Okay, so first what I did was I did my arm workout and my hip dips workout. So that I decided to do. And hip dips workout, I would like to say that even if it was 5 minutes, it's so I can literally feel that the pain, and my legs in that area, like my hip area, was having this pain for the day I started to do. From that till today I can still feel that. So I think it might work. I just hope that it works because I really want to get rid of the hip dips. And after doing that, I danced for 45 minutes. Yeah, I danced for 45 minutes, and then it was very sweaty. I'm so sorry, the thunders are getting so loud. Okay, actually this is the first rain of this year and it's very loud. We did not I was yesterday waiting for the rain in the morning, but it didn't rain, and today suddenly in the evening so cloudy it got, and now it's raining. It's actually 7:23 right now. So I told you I could not wait for more because from 6 o'clock I am waiting that these thunders are gonna stop and I will shoot or record this audio, but it's not taking the name of to stop. And 8 o'clock you all know I go to sleep, so this is kind of a problem now. But anyways, after working out, I went and I had my breakfast, and then I got ready to go for voting. Then we went over there, we just waited for around 10 minutes and our vote was done. And yeah, if anytime if you all are having a voting section in your states or in your places, please do a vote. Every vote counts, and you don't know how powerful you are with your vote. So choose wisely, choose your wise leader, and do vote. Please encourage everyone for voting. Okay, after that, after coming back, I changed, and there where I got a little distracted, not distracted. So what happened, I started to like scroll, and it just went on scrolling. After that, my parents were going out, so I went to kind of, my mom has a little nakhras, and whenever she's going out for some function, she'll be getting dressed and she needs my help over there. So I went to help her. Okay, and then I was helping her, and then I was in these things also. And when they left, it was kind of like a lunch time. So I thought ki chalo, I'll have my lunch only and get to work. So I started to watch the reels until I actually feel hungry, till the exact time of having lunch. So I did that, and then I had my lunch, and then suddenly I felt this urge of decluttering my phone, like changing the theme, changing the wallpaper and all these things. And I started to do that all. And doing that, it became around 5:30, and I felt hungry. I went and grabbed out some snack and started to watch videos. I mean, even after knowing I could have taken some steps, but I did not. It was such a bad idea. Afternoon, actually, I had like thought, okay, I will shoot a video, but I had a different plan for shooting that video, and those things I have like ordered what I require for this video, but it haven't come out yet, so I could not continue with that thing. So I had to like drop the plan over there, but I could have like shooted different reel, which I didn't do because of course I got procrastinated in that. So after all this rain ka thing happened, so I just sat down watching the clouds and like just feeling the wind, and then it started to rain. Then I waited, but no, it didn't happen. The clouds and the thundering was still going on, even it's like lightning, and that was so bright. So yeah, then now like I set for recording this voiceover, and I haven't have dinner yet, so I'll go and have that, and after that I'll go to sleep because there is nothing else to do. And yeah, of course, so I'll go and do that, and I'll sleep early today and make sure that I wake up at 4 o'clock tomorrow because I don't want to waste any more time now. So yeah, and that is how my day 36 came to an end, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.